and success, growth, and continued pursuit of excellence. Here's to your good health and a bright future for our university under your exceptional leadership.
Congrats, Father! Congrats, Father! Cheers! Kampai!
Ano ba po? 1, 2, 3. Kunwari to.
White wine. Dati diba ginagawa niyo ngayon lang? Picturean mo mang ng lahat ah.
Today, we gather to celebrate the momentous occasion in the life of our beloved university. It is with great pride and immense pleasure that we welcome our new university president, Father Daniel Franklin.